The disappearance of Ettore, Majorana, a brilliant mind, a ship ticket, a cryptic letter, and a man who may have erased himself from history, the genius who vanished. Ettore Majorana was not ordinary. In the 1930s, he was considered one of the most gifted theoretical physicists in Europe, a contemporary of Enrico Fermi. Some colleagues claimed Majorana's intellect rivaled the greatest scientists of the century. He worked on early nuclear theory, ideas that would later shape atomic physics. But he was intensely private, withdrawn, prone to long disappearances from academic life. And then, in March 1938, he vanished for good. The letters. On March 25, 1938, Majorana withdrew most of his money from his bank in Naples. He purchased a ticket for a ship traveling from Naples to Palermo, Sicily. That same day, he sent a letter to a colleague suggesting he had made an inevitable decision. The tone implied suicide, but shortly after, a second letter arrived. It stated, "The sea rejected me. I will return." He appeared to contradict himself. Which letter was real? Which was staged? The ship. Records confirm Majorana boarded the ship to Palermo, but after arrival, the trail dissolves. Some witnesses claimed he returned to Naples. Others said he never did. Passenger lists were inconsistent. There were reports that he may have switched identities with another traveler on board. If true, it was deliberate, planned, calculated. The theories? Suicide. The initial letter suggested despair, but no body was ever found. No belongings washed ashore. No physical evidence. And his later letter complicates the story. Voluntary disappearance? Some believe Majorana chose to disappear intentionally. He had withdrawn money. He was known for philosophical reflections about science and morality. Did he foresee the destructive potential of nuclear physics? Did he walk away from a future he feared? Monastery theory. Rumors surfaced decades later that he lived quietly in a monastery in southern Italy. Others claimed sightings in South America. In 2015, Italian authorities even reopened the case after analysis suggested he may have lived in Venezuela in the 1950s under a different name. But nothing was confirmed. The unsettling detail. Majorana was known for solving problems in physics that others couldn't. Complex equations, abstract theories, and yet, his own disappearance feels like a carefully constructed paradox. A man brilliant enough to design his own vanishing. If he planned it, he left just enough contradiction to make the mystery unsolvable. 2 letters, one implying death, one implying survival, both written by the same hand. The lingering question, did Ettore Majorana throw himself into the sea, hide in plain sight, change identities, or simply step outside the world that expected too much from him? Nearly a century later, there is no grave, no proof of death, no verified final sighting, just a brilliant physicist who boarded a ship and dissolved into uncertainty. Some mysteries are violent, some are chaotic. This one is quiet, a mind powerful enough to alter physics, and perhaps clever enough to erase itself. Thanks for watching After Hours Mysteries. Until next time. Thanks.